Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get a job in emergency response Roblox step by step. Start by polishing your profile and choosing a role to focus on, then practice basic radio and medical roleplay in low-pressure servers to build confidence. Next, join active emergency groups and observe their commands and workflows so you can mirror expected behavior. Finally, prepare a short application message that lists your skills and availability. Warm up your roleplay muscles by practicing core commands, radio etiquette, and simple patient care in free servers where mistakes are low stakes. Spend time in tutorial maps to earn badges and learn common workflows, because groups often look for those qualifications. Capture a few short clips of your best teamwork and communication to include with applications, and keep practicing until your timing and clarity feel natural in live scenarios. If you enjoy this guide, please subscribe and like. It really helps me make more content you can use. Quick recommendation. I recently read The Simple Path to Wealth, and it changed how I think about saving and investing, which frees up time to pursue hobbies like Roblox roleplay. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab it, you might find it surprisingly helpful. Now let's get back to the video. When you apply, keep your message concise and list your relevant badges, play schedule, and top skills clearly so leaders can scan quickly. Show up on time for interviews or trial shifts with a calm, respectful attitude, and follow instructions precisely to demonstrate reliability. If you receive feedback, take it gratefully and adjust your approach, because consistent improvement and a positive attitude are often the easiest ways to earn a permanent spot.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.